This is the much awaited POVA flagship device to be released soon this year, be 2022. I mean, in the Q2 market of 2022. It's actually called the TECNO POVA 3. It's going to be powered by MediaTek Helio G8 chipset, and it's going to come with a big display of 6.9-inch IPS LCD panel and a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. So guys, for you to know more details about the device and without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Hey guys, it's Chancellor here. In today's video, I'm going to be saying the specification for the TECNO POVA 3. The TECNO POVA 3 is said to be a successor to the TECNO POVA 2 of last year. This body quality is made up of plastic, except for the front that is covered with glass. The electric blue model comes with RGB notification light strip on the rear that makes it look appealing and unique. Though there are other color models like Tech Silver and Eco Black, they are all nice and appealing too. The TECNO POVA 3 is going to come with a massive display of 6.9-inch IPS LCD panel, a high refresh rate of 90 Hz with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. Powering the TECNO POVA 3 is the MediaTek Helio G8 chipset with octa-core processor CPU and Mali G52 MC2 GPU for better and smooth performance while gaming and scrolling on apps. The internal memory storage for this device will be 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of ROM, while for other variants it's going to come with 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of ROM. And yes, there's going to be an SD card slot for further memory expansion. The TECNO POVA 3 is going to come with triple camera bulb setup at the rear, which will be the 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel micro lens and 2 megapixel depth shooter with AL lens. LED flashlight will be there for brighter shots. On the front, it's going to come with a selfie shooter of 8 megapixel. The TECNO POVA 3 is going to come with a huge, when I say huge, I mean a huge 7000 mAh battery. So the 7000 mAh battery will be there to power all the features of this device. TECNO really came with something huge on this one. I think this is the best and the most exciting feature of the TECNO POVA 3. So there are other amazing features like 25 watts fast charging, but it's going to come with a 3 watts charging brick in the box that will support 10 watts reverse charging. The fingerprint sensor will be side mounted and the device will run on Android 12 based on SOS 20.7. So guys, that comes to the end of my video for the TECNO POVA 3. Let me know in the comment section your best feature, like the feature you like most on this device. Kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell to get verified whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Thank you guys and see you on my next video. That's it, signing out.